What is going on, everybody? Captain Namco here. Today we're doing a sound test. We got 4 wooden pins up against a synthetic bowling pin, which is a twister. So we're gonna start this guy off first. That's basically how they sound either way. That was a synthetic. Here's wood. Now again, the difference. Look at the bottom of them. Wood versus plastic. Here comes a UV glow crown Brunswick Max bowling pin. And another. See, there's nothing. This is the Brunswick Score King. It too is a UV crown. And again, this is something we don't see here in the Midwest or anything like that. Here is my UV glow Qubica AMF AM Fly 2. USB-C approved, just like all these are here. And here we go. Rotate it a little bit. They're all in good shape. Still got plenty of life left in them, as well as this twister pin. So there's your sound test. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. We'll see y'all in the next one.